Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a while since we've been on. Carter's gone back in Colorado, so I've been here just kind of getting settled in, hanging out with the goats. And so today we're going to be doing a little bit of some visual enhancements on the night track today. We have a race coming up at the end of actually on New Year's weekend, under the lights here on the night track, and so we're going to be getting this place cleaned up and making it look really nice for the place for the next event. So going to be pulling weeds, trimming stuff up, kind of reshaping some jumps, the sides, the faces, and just make everything look a little more uniform. Maybe possibly bring these bleachers that are on this side of the track over to this side where a lot of people actually hang out when they do come to the track for Thursday night practice. So it's a good place for people to sit and watch and spectate on here. So yeah, so follow us along. We're gonna be me and Matt Cooper, a couple other people probably we're gonna be doing all that today. So follow along with us. Thanks. Okay, so our plan for today, or my plan, is to just kind of get these weeds pulled on the sides of the jump. So we're going to start at the finish line jump here and just try to make the sides of the jumps, everything looks symmetrical and clean, and try to keep it that way come springtime and prevent all the weeds from coming up and stuff like that. So this is the side of the finish line jump that everybody sees from that side of the track, basically where everybody parks. So we're trying to make it look nice and clean when you look out there and try to get rid of all these weeds. So I'm going to be pulling all these weeds on the side of this jump, and I think Matt's going to come in and kind of clean it up a little bit afterwards. And we got a skidster here where we can kind of form it and make it look really nice and make it look good. So okay, I got this front side done, or this, I don't know where it would be, back side of the tabletop. This one bush is it's a booger. The roots are so deep and so big I can't really pull it out, so I'm not gonna stress over getting it out. I'm gonna see if maybe Matt can pull it out with a skidster or something. So yeah, got a little bit of that, got it started. It's a lot of work. Never mind, I got it. So I was just sitting here and trying to contemplate how to pull it out, and turn the GoPro off and was able to get it out actually. So I didn't get any footage of it, but I got it. That was a booger. All right, starting to warm up a little bit. Took my jacket off. Got this side done. Now I'm getting ready to start on this side here, the beginning on the tabletop here. Get another pile going. All right, so I ran into another big ass bush. This thing's got some roots from hell. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but got some really deep roots. I just can't get them out. So got a little bit left right here, and this side will be done here in a little while. Alright, I got what I could on the side here. These things were a booger. These roots are down deep pretty good. So try to make a little ledge here for the flagger to stand, so this kind of bows out a little bit. But if we can clean this up here, straighten this and smooth it out with a skidster, it look very nice from over there. So let's see what these boys are doing. ¿Qué pasó? What's going on? Chilling?
I just did my warm-up last time. You wanted to fuck out?
Oh yeah. Just get your arm pump out of the way.
Yeah, I gotta get my muscle memory going for the day.
Yeah, right.
I'm tight. Dude, I don't know. The bike feels good today.
Does it?
Fucking fast. I did one of two
different
smaller.
pressure, different temperature, different dew point, different all kinds of shit.
I got this bigger carb on here now.
Yeah?
But I went a 2 smaller on my front sprocket.
Yeah?
A lot of pull.
Really?
Pull. Yeah.
Good.
I don't know.
What does that say?
Taco tune-ups. That's Johnny, that dude with the
Oh, okay, Johnny Tacos.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I gotta get the other one on. I got the stickers badass right.
The 3-digit looks sick.
Yeah, I did.
It looks sick.
Let's see.
Alright, go pull some more weeds here. I got all this fence line trimmed here along the night track. I'm suggesting we put some bleachers right here because a lot of people that come here on Thursday nights, they park here and there's no place to sit and actually watch people ride here. The other set of bleachers is down near the starting area, and it's just a little bit, kind of my personal opinion, it's a little bit too far away from you know, the people that kind of sit around here and hang out, and there's no place to sit here. So I think we should put a set of bleachers here so people can watch the night track a little more. I'm actually pretty tired right now. I was looking for a place to sit down. There is no place to sit down, so it'd be nice to have some bleachers here. Alright, I know Matt's probably gonna come by here and probably redo everything that I'm doing, but I don't know if I can clean this up, just make it look good for now, or kind of get an idea. Kick, badass. All right, so we're back, day 2. Trying to get this night track in top shape for our event later this month. If you haven't seen, I got me some new merch, so head on over to the link. It's in the description. I'll try to put a description, or I'll try to put a link up here in the corner if it'll do it. So click on one of those, check out the merch line, and support the channel. Would appreciate it. Thanks so much. So I got this whole fence line all kind of cleaned up. There's a bunch of bushes. It was something that irked me from the cabin that I live in, and you can see down here, I could just see a bunch of bushes that kind of stick out, and I want to get everything cleaned up. So got all that done. Now I'm going to kind of groom the side of this little step up here. Just kind of clean it up for everybody that's kind of watching from this angle. This is where most people kind of watch from. when they're over here, and I just want to try to make everything look really nice from this angle. So this jump right over here, I'm going to be putting a little bit of work into. All right, so this jump's got just a couple weeds in it, and then mostly just dead sticks. So just got to yank all these out. All it's mostly just trash and dead twigs. So get all this cleaned up, and then take my rake here, try to groom the side of it. It is a little dry. It's probably pretty brittle and dry, so we'll see how it does. If it doesn't want to groom very nice and just kind of break apart, I may just not really do anything to it except pull the weeds. So got the bleachers moved. What up, dog? Got them moved, huh? Right on. It's perfect right here. Can we try to drag this over and you can just set them right there? Fire pit. I would put the bleachers right here where the fire pit is, and then the fire pit right here. That way it's away from these trees. Yeah. That was good. Now you can chill on the bleachers over here. All right. All right, so that was cool. So Logan brought those bleachers over. I think he got them from down at the bottom, because no one really kind of sits down there. You see only, like, even at a big event, like a handful of people down there. So we moved those down there. So they moved those down there to the night track over here, because there wasn't really any place for anybody to sit down over there unless you sat on the tailgate or in your car. So yeah, good move. All right, I may have put this weed whacker through a little too much. Just weed whacking. Next thing you know, super thin pole. that this thing is wired through and snapped right off. So that's it for the weed eater.